In the fast-paced world of technology, staying ahead of the curve is crucial. That's why the Elevate Your IT Skills with AI Automation Practical Techniques workshop is an absolute must for anyone in the IT field. This informative and engaging workshop is designed to teach participants how to incorporate artificial intelligence, AI, automation into their daily tasks, ultimately boosting their efficiency and productivity. The focus is on providing practical techniques that can be immediately applied to real-world scenarios. Throughout the workshop, participants will learn about the fundamentals of AI and automation, as well as the different types of AI technologies currently available. They will gain a solid understanding of how AI can be leveraged to streamline tasks, improve decision-making processes, and ultimately enhance overall business performance. What sets this workshop apart from others is its hands-on approach. Participants will have the opportunity to work with AI tools and technologies in a practical setting. Through interactive exercises and case studies, they will learn how to effectively implement AI automation techniques in their own work environments. In addition to the practical skills gained, participants will also benefit from the networking opportunities this workshop offers. They will have the chance to connect with industry experts and fellow IT professionals, fostering valuable relationships that can lead to future collaborations and professional growth. Whether participants are new to AI automation or already have some experience, this workshop is designed to meet their individual needs and goals. By the end of the workshop, participants will not only be equipped with the necessary skills to elevate their IT capabilities but will also have the confidence to embrace the ever-evolving world of AI automation. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your IT skills to the next level.